An organism exhibits monod growth with the following parameters, which is given as mu m is given as 0.6 per hour, Ks is 4 grams per liter. We have to find out the specific growth rate of the organism at substrate concentration of 2 grams per liter. We have mu m as 0.6 per hour, Ks as 4 grams per liter, and the substrate concentration is given as 2 grams per liter. We have to find out mu g, that is the specific growth rate. So monod model, according to monod model, specific growth rate is equal to mu m into s upon Ks plus s. So we'll put out the values. Mu m is given as 0.6, s is given as 2 divided by 4 plus 2. So this will be equal to 1.2 divided by 6, which will give us the answer as 0.2 per hour. So specific growth rate कितना आ जाएगा? 0.2 per hour. Option A.